here. So I appreciate your interest in the topic. Today's audience was really meant to be a mixed bag of people who are connected to the FinTech topic, but also trying to refresh their knowledge or build on their maybe base knowledge. We were really thrilled to see that there's a great mix of local players coming up from all different sides, whether it's financial services, technology, or other service providers, and then as well some consultants, entrepreneurs, and others. So great mix today. Many of you know me already. I didn't put a lot of words on this page. The simple idea is familiar face. I didn't wear my jacket, but I basically am wearing the same outfit. I started started my career in Toronto, went to some schools like Oxford and did a CFA, and then the base of my career was really at financial institutions for about 10 years. And after that I started the association, sorry there's some funny formatting. I started the association, but also in the last 3 years my own company and this new platform called FinTech Plus, which I might talk a little bit at the end if we have some time. But yeah, I've kind of over the last 3, 4, 5 years in particular become a bit of a local expert on the topic of FinTech. Around the same period of time, it wasn't just me, it was a lot of other people around 2014 here. FinTech became a huge topic, so did MedTech, RegTech, EdTech, marketing tech, a lot of other things. But I don't think it was just kind of a common buzzword that was coming around. There was a bit more to it, and we want to talk a bit about why FinTech is the topic that we're so interested in today. One of the questions I used to get a lot now, and people sort of overlook it, but I think it's important to recognize, is technology has always been an important part of financial services. This photo is from 2017, and it's amazing to think that bank machines, 50 years, that's the amount of time that we've had bank machines around, and they're still playing such an important role. Trading, all these different things, technology has really connected financial services from the very beginning. So what really is different now? I mean, we had online banking from Credit Suisse back in the 90s. It looks better now, but it was essentially the same thing, right? But there's more fundamental changes than just the internet. What we've really seen in the last 5 years, proliferation of FinTech companies. There's not so many of the tech companies listed here, but these are really new startups that are trying to disrupt or enable the financial services industry. And it's really even hard to tell what we're looking at here. It's the Wells Fargo online banking site, and you can find this for HSBC and UBS and all the other banks too. A few years ago it was less crowded, and it's really exploded in terms of the value chain and how you see all these new disruptive companies trying to pick it apart and really improve the business propositions. For me, FinTech is really about that matching of finance and technology. You have all these themes that were going on in finance, like wealth management, insurance, all these well-established businesses, but you've had some really fundamental technologies, especially things like mobile, cloud, and blockchain that have come crashing into the industry. And it's really at a point now where you have a strong established traditional industry and then this very different new business model cohort that's emerged. And that's really why there's this huge activity, and also why you hear this interesting debate about what the future will hold, who will win out, and everything else. So to me, that's really what finance and technology, FinTech, is all about.